Hello, I'm Shamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do double crochet mesh stitch. For this you require a multiple of 2. For this, first we made a slip knot, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hold it. See carefully. Now make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the plus 5. Now you insert it in the sixth loop. Leave the fifth, insert it in the now. And make a double crochet. Then chain 1, yarn over, leave one chain and insert your hook in the next. Make a double crochet. Just keep repeating the process. Leave one chain and insert your hook in the next. Again do a double crochet, one chain, leave one chain and insert your hook in the next. Do a double crochet once again. Keep repeating the same. Now you're coming to an end of your first row. Remember not to use the last chain and the slip knot. So now you got 7 squares. And every row you should have 7 squares. Follow up one after the other. So now it's easy for you to do the rest of your rows. Then chain 4. I'm showing you the V on top, but this won't be important because now you can just follow the rows. You have 7 squares and just follow up making it 7. But yes, you should have 2 strands on your hook, that is the V. Once you have the V shape on your hook, you know you have inserted your hook in the right place. Then just yarn over, pull through and complete the process. Isn't this so simple? Just keep practicing and you will be great. I'm just showing you from top, but after the second row, this won't be essential. You can see the V shape over the hook or two strands over the hook. And completed a double crochet. Now we are coming to the end of our second row as well. Now again leave one chain and insert your hook in the next. A chain is made up of 3 strands. So we are inserting the hook in the behind strand, turn it around, and you will see the 2 strands on the hook, that is the V on the hook. The loop just slipped, but I managed to pull it out. Yes, now this is fine. Let's begin again. Remember, your turning stitch is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you notice it's simple. It's getting more simple. As you can see, you can insert your hook under the double crochet, and you see you have the V on your hook. These very simple crochet patterns will encourage you to begin crocheting. If you enjoyed this tutorial with me, please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember to keep practicing and you will fall in love with the art of crocheting. Watching with me through the 3 rows of this double crochet mesh stitch is all you will need from the beginning to the next rows. Now insert your hook in the second chain from behind the rib of your chain. There are 3 strands, the behind one, the rib, and then turn over your hook. You can see the V on top, your right, pull over, yarn through, and complete your last third row. Wow, now you have just learned to do mesh stitch. Go ahead, keep practicing and enjoy this. And if you like my teaching, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. I would really love to hear from you all. Have a great day and I'll meet you in the next tutorial.